In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form in Shopify using Freshsales. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, making it ideal for both beginners and those looking to enhance their Shopify store's functionality. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and search for Freshsales. Once you've navigated to the Freshsales website, log in using your credentials. Having your login information handy will speed up this process. A little tip here: it's beneficial to have a Shopify form app, such as Shogun, already installed. This can help streamline the integration process between Freshsales and Shopify. After you log into Freshsales, you'll land on the dashboard. From there, you'll want to navigate to the admin settings. Once there, look for the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts, and click on Web Form. This path will guide you to the area where you can manage your forms. Now, you have two options. You can either create a new web form or use an existing one. If you're creating a new form, make sure it contains all the fields that you need for your Shopify store. Once your form is ready, hover over the end of the web form to find and copy the embed code. This code will be essential for the next steps, so keep it handy. With your embed code successfully copied, head over to Shopify and log into your account. Similar to Freshsales, having your login information ready will make this process much smoother. When you're logged in, navigate to the Online Store option on the left-hand side of the admin panel, then click on Themes. From there, you'll want to click on Customize. This is where you'll be able to tailor your Shopify store to include the form you've set up in Freshsales. Once you're in the site builder, decide where you'd like to place the form on your website. Consider the user experience and where your form will be most effective. After selecting the ideal location, click on Add section. In the list of options that appear, choose HTML. This is where you'll input the embed code you copied earlier from Freshsales. Paste the code into the HTML section, making sure there are no extra spaces or characters, as these might cause issues when displaying the form. Once you're satisfied that everything looks correct, click on Save to apply the changes to your Shopify store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated a Freshsales form into your Shopify store. This simple addition can enhance customer interaction and streamline your data management process. Remember, if you run into any issues, revisit each step to ensure nothing was missed. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!